I'm Sebastian, and this is from Mrs. Mann's class, and I'm reading Officer Buckle and Gloria by Peggy Rathmann. Officer Buckle knew more safety tips than anyone else in Natville. Every time he thought of a new one, he thumbed to his bulletin board. Safety tip 77. Never stand on a swivel chair. Whoa. Officer Buckle shared his safety tips with the students at Natville School. Nobody ever listened. Sometimes there's snoring. Afterward, it was
business
at Usul. Miss Topple, the principal, took down the welcome banner. Never stand on a swivel chair, said Officer Buckle, but Miss Topple didn't hear him. One day, Natville Police Department brought a police dog named Gloria. When it was time for Officer Buckle to give a safety speech at school, Gloria went along. Children, this is Gloria, announced Officer Buckle. Gloria obeys my commands. Gloria, sit. Gloria sat. Officer Buckle gave safety tip number 1. Keep your shoelaces tied. The children sat up and stared. Officer Buckle checked to see if Gloria was sitting, and attention, she was. Safety tip number 2, said Officer Buckle. Always wipe up spill before someone slips and falls. The children's eyes popped. Officer Buckle checked on Gloria again. Good dog, he said. Officer Buckle thought of safety tip he had discovered that morning. Never leave a thumb back where you might sit on it, announced Ward. Officer Buckle grinned. He said the rest of the tips with plenty of expression. The children clapped their hands and cheered. Some of them laughed until they cried. Officer Buckle was surprised. He had never noticed how funny safety tips could be. After this safety speech, there was a single accident. The next day, an enormous envelope arrived at the police station. It was stuffed with thank you letters from the students at Natville School. Every letter had the drawing of Gloria on it. Officer Buckle thought the drawings showed a lot of imagination. His favorite letter was written on the star-shaped piece of paper. It said, "You and Gloria make a good team. Your friend, Carly. P.S. I always wear a crash helmet. Safety tip 7. Officer Buckle was thumbing Claire's letter to his bulletin board when the police started ringing grade schools, high schools, and daycare. Officer Buckle They said, "Our students want to hear your safety tips, and please bring along that police dog." Officer Buckle told his safety tip 313 schools. Everywhere he and Gloria went, children sat up and listened. After every speech, Officer Buckle took Gloria out for ice cream. Officer Buckle having a buddy. Then one day, a television news team videotaped Officer Buckle in the State College auditorium. When he finished safety tip number 99, do not go swimming during electrical storms. The students jumped to their feet and applauded. "Bravo, bravo, bravo, bravo," they cheered. Officer Buckle bowed again and again and again. That night, Officer Buckle watched himself on the 10 o'clock news. The next day, the principal of Nashville School telephoned the police station. "Good morning, Officer Buckle. It's time for good morning, Officer Buckle. Our safety speech." Officer Buckle frowned. "I'm not giving any more speeches to nobody. Looks at me anyways." "Oh," said Miss Topple. "Well, how about Gloria? Could she come?" Someone else from the police station gave Gloria the ride to the school. Gloria sat on stage looking lonely. Then she felt Gloria asleep, so she didn't